Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the best tips and tricks for your camera on the Xiaomi 13T Pro. So first I want to show you the function of the volume buttons. They are located on the right side. So when you click on the volume up or volume down, as you can see, you can take the photo with 2 seconds delay. And when you click and hold one of this button, you are going to record short video. When you do the same for the shutter, you can also record short videos up to 15 seconds. When you click on the screen, you can decrease or increase brightness level by moving the slider. You can also do this automatically by tapping on the screen once. When you click and hold on your zoom presets, you can unlock this slider, and with the slider you can smoothly zoom in or zoom out. It works the same in the video mode. Or maybe not, I'm wrong, but in the video mode you can actually change the resolution from the HD, Full HD, 4K and 8K, and if you want to change the FPS, you can click right here, so we can go between 30, 24 and 60. When you open the settings by tapping right here, you can, for example, enable the timer between 3, 5 or 10 seconds, and when you click on the shutter, the photo will be taken. You can also find here other useful options like motion tracking focus. So right now when you lock focus right here on this item and move it, it will still get the focus on this item. So when you lock it like that, as you can see, this place is still on the focus even when you move it. When you click in this place, you can add some filters. They will change the color and the temperature. And basically that's it. That's my favorite tips and tricks for the camera on the Xiaomi 13T Pro. Hope you like it.